General Manager and co-owner at VG Machines. VG is a Belgium-based company where we design and produce machines for the sheet metal industry, grinding, deburring, edge rounding. We also make machines for the wood industry, sanding machines, structuring, distressing, brushing machines. Today I'd like to present you our new manual deburring and edge rounding machine. It's the next generation of the disc arm grinder. We call it the disc arm grinder 2.0. We have a working space of 800 by 1300. We have a vacuum zone on the machine to hold small parts. That's 250 by 350 millimeter. You can easily move around the head where we mount the tools on. You can easily rotate the head so you can swap between different tools. The tools that we can use on the machine. First of all, I want to show you this one. That's one that is made to remove slag from plasma or oxide fuel coated parts. Just hits the slag away. Very easy. We have some more tools that I'd like to present you. We have a disc where we can stick on abrasive paper, abrasive cloth. I'm going to use that one for deburring, grinding, heavy duty grinding you can also do. We have another one that you can do for light deburring and edge rounding. Another tool is one that we use to remove oxide on the edges. And then we have the tool with the flap zone that can be used for deburring, edge rounding, flat parts, or even 3D parts. So first I'm going to show you how to remove slag. I have a part over here, not so very well cut, so a lot of slag on. We're going to start up. As you can see, we have removed all the slag from this part in a fast way and in a safe way. So I'm going to change the tool now, and I'm going to put on a cut brush to do some light deburring and edge rounding. You see, fast, easy. So this is our nice little entry-level deburring machine, manual deburring machine, entry-level and the VG range, where we go from a manual machine to the high-end true-feed machines. At VG, we like to do the things right, we like to do it safe, and we like to make affordable machines.